Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and remember guys, this is for adults. Guys, don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest to find all the photos that you want of these videos.
What's up, you guys? This is ZacJacDan with another Every Power Rangers videos. Talking about every Hasbro Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Lightning Collection 30th Anniversary Power Rangers. These are remastered. So on January 17th, 2023, they showed off that we are celebrating 30 years on their fan stream. Nice little image here of the 30-year Power Rangers and their helmets. The first two reviews we had were the Blue Ranger here. You can see remastered underneath Lightning Collection. You do see this are plastic free packaging, but you have extra accessories, extra black stuff X, and you know the figure himself is here. And there's all the accessories it comes with. He's got the glasses, the morpher, and all that good stuff. Back of that package showing all the accessories it comes with, showing he's 6.1 inches tall. And again, it comes with those effect pieces that you can put down by his feet. The other one we get is the Yellow Ranger remastered, plastic free. Again, with those effect pieces for her feet. Extra hands. This is Trini Kwan. She's showing 5'7". There's those effect pieces at those feet. Not a lot of images for these first two for this first wave. But then wave 2 we show now with 3 more figures, the green, pink, and red Rangers, remastered for the 30th anniversary. There's their packaging. So here's the green Ranger. All angles there. He has the effect pieces there. And all these accessories. Got the candle there. Long hair. Up in action here, kicking around. These are pinless figures. Now we have our Red Ranger. Got the armor on the top there, the blast effects on the feet. So you can do it with and without the armor, and you can put that armor on anybody. You can put it on the Green Ranger if you want to. Got the sword, the gun. Looking really good. And then, like I said, we have the Pink Ranger. She got her bow. Looks really cool. All her accessories. Again, the effect pieces on the bottom. These look excellent. In action here. So there's those 3 for wave 2. All in package from the front. One side showing 30th anniversary and all the Rangers. The other side showing which specific Ranger this is. But also celebrating 30 years, we also have 2 deluxe figures here. With Mighty Minotaur. Got the horns and the effect piece up there, the shield, the tail on the back there, that's cool. There's his package. Comes with a little putty figure. I shouldn't call it putty, a little figure of him made out of putty. In action there. And we also have Rita Repulsa. Really great face sculpt there. There's her package. There's 2 different head sculpts you can see right there. 3 different head sculpts. There's her figure from the back, got the soft goods cape on her. Those two figures are awesome for the 30th anniversary. And how do I know it's 30th? When you check out the package here, you see right there on the left hand side, 30th anniversary. And on the right hand side. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave any kind of comments, hit that notification bell so you're aware of any new videos that I have. Subscribe to the channel if ever, hit that thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Guys, don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. You can find all the photos that you want of these videos.